Welcome to this once-in-a-lifetime opportunity for your forever farm, complete with spectacular views. A private drive leads to this Northwest contemporary home with a huge indoor riding arena ready for multiple uses. The expansive covered front porch welcomes you to your custom-built home. Head inside and discover a flowing floor plan with soaring vaults and floor-to-ceiling windows. Thoughtfully designed with extensive use of wood, granite, slate, and solid oak hardwood floors. The well-appointed kitchen with gas appliances has been recently updated with a new high-end GT profile oven, microwave, and 4-door refrigerator. Oversized pantry and a cook's island. Spectacular mountain views are all yours, inside and out. Relax on the back deck, perfectly situated for your forever views. Just off the entry, double doors lead to the office or den. The main level master bedroom is an oversized suite with direct access to the backyard. The spa-like bath includes a jetted jacuzzi tub, dual sink vanity, heated towel racks, and walk-in shower with stone finishes, plus a huge walk-in closet. On the upper level, you'll find an open loft area with soaring ceilings. And 2 more spacious suites in this home of more than 3,600 square feet. The large barn with a 72 by 144-foot indoor riding arena, now used for dog agility, is perfect for everything from horse boarding to shelter for cars, equipment, and trailers. You'll also find a greenhouse, additional storage, a saltwater pool, pad, fire pit, and a workshop. 2 separate legal lots of record follow EFU guidelines. And the seller's current improvements, including a whole home generator, secure this farm's investment well into the next century. So many possibilities, from multi-generational living to at-home business and farm use projects to your own staycation. Step into your turnkey farm and enjoy Beaver Creek's best address to live, work, and play. For more information or your personal tour, please contact Erin Warren with Premier Property Group at 503-319-0490.